Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you want to easily create and print barcode labels for your products right from Shopify, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up barcode labels using a simple Shopify app, so your inventory stays organized and checkout becomes much smoother. All right, let's dive straight in. First up, open your Shopify admin page. This is your main dashboard where you manage everything for your store and where all the setup happens. If it's your first time logging in, don't worry. Just use your store's unique login from Shopify.com and land on your admin homepage. Take a second to make sure you see all your main menus on the left like Home, Orders, Products. That means you're in the right spot. Next, we need to get to the Apps section. On your dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and click on Apps. This is where Shopify lets you add extra features to your store, and barcode labels is one of them. In the Apps page, you'll notice a search bar up top. Type Retail Barcode Labels into the search field, then hit Enter. It's important to type it exactly as is. Shopify will show you the app you need. Scroll down until you find the Retail Barcode Labels app in the search results. This is an official Shopify app, so you can trust it's secure and integrates smoothly with your inventory. Click on the app, then hit the Install button. The installation process only takes a few seconds, and Shopify will walk you through any basic permissions you need to approve. Don't worry if you see a loading screen or need to grant a couple of permissions. That's totally normal. Now that the app is installed, it's time to set up your barcodes. Click Get Started in the app. What's nice here is that this app streamlines the setup and lets you generate barcodes for all your products automatically. No need for manual data entry. Think of this like giving every product its own little digital ID card. It'll help you scan and track items so much faster. Here's where some customization comes in. You'll be prompted to type a name for your label template. This template controls how the labels look and what information they show, like price, product name, SKU, or barcode itself. Give your template a clear name. For example, Summer Collection Barcodes, or Standard Product Labels. Picking a specific name will save you headaches later if you have lots of templates for different types of inventory. Once you've named your template, all you need to do is click Create Template. Shopify will generate the template and apply it to your products. If you want, you can go back and tweak the template settings to adjust layout or information later. Just remember, you're in control here, so take a moment to double-check everything looks good before you start printing. And that's it. With those simple steps, you've set up barcode labels for your Shopify store. Your products now have scannable codes, making inventory management and checkout much quicker with far less room for error. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have any questions about barcode labels or Shopify apps. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials. Happy selling!